In this video, we will cover how to use the inline PDF editor that is already within FloorVisio. And so by default, when we click on a PDF file, we'll see that it simply just opens the PDF inside of the web browser. If we want to be able to edit these PDFs, adding annotations, arrows, brackets, comments, we first need to turn on the editor. So you'll have to have administrative privileges, and you will go to Settings and then System Settings. You'll scroll down and find Use PDF Editor. You will select this or check mark that box and then save your settings. Now when we return back to our sample customer, when we click on a PDF, we see that it opens in this editor. Now the default mode for anybody accessing this will be to open it in the editor. However, the default mode is they can only view and not print or view and not edit annotations. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the employee settings. And I'm logged in as demo admin. And we will find the PDF editing, and we see that there are two permissions. The allowed to edit allows you to edit the annotations, comments, and things like that on the PDF files. If you select this auto print, when you open up the PDF, it'll automatically open up the print dialog. For now, we'll just do the allowed to edit. We'll click on Save. We'll return back to the sample customer. Now since I have the access to edit the PDF, now when I click on the PDF, we see we have all of these toolbars up here for to do the annotations. And so we can click on Shapes, and I can add shapes into this. And here we can change our colors. No fill. And so here we see this box that I just added. We can add arrows. We can annotate this. And so we'll put a text box right here. Now when we're done, we'll click Save Annotations. Now within FloorVisio, we see that we have this History button. When we click on any of the History buttons, we will see a history of what has gone on with this part. And so here we see that the demo saved annotations for bracket A, B, C. Now printing within the inline PDF editors is a little confusing. When you click this settings icon, this gear. It says menu. You click this, and you choose print. You want to make sure the print quality is on high. By default, it will stay on high. And all you want to do is include annotations. And then you'd simply just click the print button, and it would print. So that's how to annotate PDF files in line within FloorVisio.